Hello foodies! Welcome to Svedanika the kitchen. Today's recipe is Godavari special Koramenu pulusu or Murell fish pulusu. This is a famous spicy seafood recipe prepared by cooking fresh Koramenu or Murell fish pieces in tangy tamarind sauce with lots of hot spices. This is a super delicious and an authentic Godavari style fish curry which is spicy and has tangy gravy. Here in this gravy, we are not only adding korameenu but also okra or bhindi too. This recipe is very easy and very commonly made in Godavari districts. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. Always wash the fish well under running water 3 to 4 times. Wash it well by using salt, pepper powder and turmeric powder to remove smell. Look at the fish pieces. Each piece is washed properly. Since they are washed with turmeric, they are a little bit yellow in color. Keep the pieces aside. We need 1 cup finely chopped onion, 8 to 10 shallots, ginger garlic paste, slit green chilies 7 to 8, adjust according to your spice level, 1 cup finely chopped tomato, 1.5 cup finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup okra pieces cut in 1-inch size, 2 spring curry leaves, 1 cup cooking oil. This recipe calls for little extra oil. Chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and salt. 1 big lemon sized tamarind. Wash tamarind before using to clean. Now add water and squeeze tamarind to extract juice from it. My tamarind is very sour, so I am taking only 1 big lemon sized tamarind. Take amount of tamarind according to the sourness. Let the tamarind soak for a while. In a wide pan, add 1 cup cooking oil. While the oil is heating up, marinate fish pieces. Add salt and rub on all the pieces. Now, add half teaspoon chili powder and rub on all pieces. Now squeeze half lemon on the pieces and mix all pieces with the lemon juice. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Rub on all the pieces. Once all pieces are coated with spices, keep them aside. Now oil is hot. Turn on heat to medium flame. Now add marinated fish pieces in oil. Let the fish pieces fry on medium heat. Here we are frying fish beforehand to avoid pieces breaking in the gravy. This process also adds texture to the pieces. They don't break while cooking and serving. Now the pieces are fried perfectly. Look at the texture of the pieces. Let's keep these pieces aside and start cooking our gravy. In the same oil, add half teaspoon cumin seeds and half teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the seeds are cooked, add 2 to 3 dry chilies. Saute tempering once. Now it's time to add finely chopped onion. Add shallots. Here we are adding shallots to give the sweetness to the curry as a replacement of jaggery, which is added in any traditional pulusu. Add slit green chilies. Green chilies cooked in tamarind gravy tastes amazing. Saute until onion turns transparent. Now add chopped okra and saute. Take care that okra shouldn't be mashed. Since there is more oil, okra roasts into a perfect texture. Mix everything. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute until onion and okra are cooked. Now add 3 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon fenugreek powder or methi powder. Saute until raw smell in chili powder is gone. Since the gravy is tamarind based, it calls for more chili powder. If you don't like it spicy, adjust chili powder according to your taste. Now add 1 spring curry leaves. Mix everything so that all curry leaves are cooked in oil and leaves aroma into the curry. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Carefully saute ginger garlic paste in the oil until raw smell is gone and it is cooked. Mix everything in the gravy. Now ginger garlic paste is cooked. Add finely chopped tomato. Mix everything. Let the tomatoes cook in the gravy. Now tomatoes are cooked. Add 2 cups tamarind juice in the gravy. Now add 1.5 cup water. Let the gravy cook for 5 minutes. Now gravy started thickening. Now add 1 tablespoon garam masala and mix well. Now add half cup finely chopped coriander leaves. Coriander leaves are flavorful in any non-veg curry. Now it's time to add fried fish in the gravy. Let the pieces cook in the gravy and absorb all the flavors from the gravy until oil floats. Now add kasuri methi at end. This is optional, but the flavors of kasuri methi enhances the taste. Sprinkle remaining coriander leaves and curry leaves. Flavorful Godavari special Koramenu pulusu is ready to serve. In a bowl, add chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Transfer Koramenu pulusu into that bowl. Look at the pieces. We can conveniently transfer them from pan to the bowl without breaking. This is because we fried them beforehand. Look at the okra pieces and shallots in this beautiful, delicious curry. Enjoy this flavorful Godavari special Koramenu pulusu with hot steamed rice. Koramenu pieces have a distinct taste which no other fish has. Murels are considered as one of the costly fishes in Andhra region for their distinct taste and their distinct bone structure. If you like this recipe, please let us know in the comment section and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.